Hi Gaurav.
Hi.
So nice that you're attending this workshop. Can you tell us what is really special that you are taking away from here today?
Yeah, sure. So a bit about myself. I'm Gaurav, and I have attended many other courses and workshops, including Ganga retreats and others, and come from IT industry. So there are many things I believe which we don't forget. No, it's difficult to believe that things can be or life can be made much easier apart from the way you are working, incorporating some of the aspects of your thoughts and emotions and making the things much easier. That's something very important. There are very nice and easy to implement techniques that can be picked up on a daily basis for your work perspective, from your business perspective, from your relationship management perspective, and of course, if there are some health issues, I think those are the things. And overall, it's definitely about your career, growth, abundance in all the forms. Wealth is the most important, I believe, for everyone on this. Ruchi talked about how we can use water to do materialization of our goals. That's something someone can really understand the science behind it, and once you understand the science running behind it, it's much easier to implement with in terms of process as well as in terms of conviction that we have.
Very nice.
At other places, people might still get something similar techniques, but I think the conviction won't come unless until you really incorporate the science running behind it. Otherwise, it becomes a ritual. So when you understand what's the mechanics running underneath, then it does not remain as a ritual. It really, you do it in a right manner.